All right. Today's question is about search, and the question is there a way to you configure the search module on the homepage to basically search universally, irrespective of the post type? So, for example, if a member wants to search XYZ and they want to pull all the matching out of the business directory, the coupons, the events, videos, etc., articles, how do you do that? So we're going to show you a couple of the add-ons that are going to be needed for this. The first one, is the expanded keyword search. And I'm going to go over this one first. This basically searches everything inside of the your directory instead of certain titles and keywords. So I'm just going to scroll down on the expanded keyword search. This is an add-on, $20 a month. Again, always recommend the VIP add-ons, and that'll be a lot cheaper for you. But basically, this is what it does. It expands the keyword search to include not only the basic stuff like the title and stuff, but also does the phone number. This is very important, the About Us content. So that fourth form that has all the big cut and paste for everything about the actual business, it's going to search inside of all the content there. Large text fields and all the standard form fields, but it also does, and that was for member profile pages. For the post detail pages, for the post types, not only is going to search the title, but you can also search all of the custom fields inside that. So if you have a particular video and you made extra field sets for them to pick stuff, it'll search all that. Anything that you put in there, it'll be able to search. So very valuable add-on. I'm going to show you how to use that real quick. So what you do is you go to the content, edit, post settings, and then for whatever content that you want, the question here was for video, so I'm going to go ahead and show you that one. In the video post type, again, this is the same for any particular post type. Go to the search results design, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to see this additional settings button. Click that, and in here in the post keyword search options, if you have this add-on, you're going to see search all post data, including the custom fields. It's going to say slowest because what it's going to do is going to index all of that content. It's going to search through all that content before it provides a search result. But in most cases, this is not going to bog down your website. It's perfectly fine to go ahead and suggest that. It'll probably be on default title, search title only. Scroll down and click the search all post data, including custom fields, and that's what you want to do, and then go ahead and save that. And so now when you go to the actual homepage, if you're on the keywords and you type in a word, let's say computer, if there's computer anywhere in the post type or in the membership type or in the About Us, like I said, paragraph, the word computer, it's going to be in there. Now, word of warning, we've had several clients have an issue with this. Obviously, if you're searching for a generic keyword like computer that could be in somewhere in that paragraph, it's going to find all of those businesses. And again, depending on the membership priority level, it's going to put certain members first. So, for example, if you have the word computer and somebody's paying to be a computer store, however, a plumber says that they have the latest computer systems to find your problem, they're going to show up, and they have a higher priority level, they're going to show up higher as a plumber for the word computer than your computer company would be, just because they have the word computer in their About Us, and they're a higher paying tiered membership. So be careful of that. That is one of the drawbacks, but you just have to be aware of that. So that is searching inside the data. Now, what the other real question there is, how do we search irrespective of member, article, video, or whatever? How do we find all of that content? And so that really, to me, is a additional add-on. This is the predictive keyword search. And I'm going to show you what that looks like here in a second on my Hudsonville.com site. So, for example, let's say I want to type in the word pizza. It actually just already showed up on there. This is the predictive keyword. So, irrespective of the type, it's going to show you all the different things that have the word pizza in there. So, here's a subcategory with pizza. Here's listings, the top 3 listings for pizza. Here's 3 pizza events that I have in my database, and then here's 3 pizza coupons. So again, searching for one keyword, but it's showing you basically a universal search across all the different post types for that keyword pizza. Now, if you have to pick it on here, if I just search for pizza instead of search, it's only going to show you the actual business listings that are pizza. So here's all the pizza listings. This is not pizza events or anything like that, because this is a membership or a listing keyword item. But that predictive keyword search does allow you to jump straight into a specific event or coupon or whatever. So if I click on that coupon specifically, it'll go to that pizza coupon. So that is kind of what the other universal search you're asking for. And let me show you where that is at. That is in the developers auto suggest settings. And for this one, I'm doing the member search up here at the top. You just want to go hit the edit. This is a very powerful plugin. I highly recommend it. But what you can basically do is you can enable, how many characters it'll show that drop down after, how many auto suggest limits. Let's say you just want to limit it to 10 results. You can do that. I have it at 20. But you can also, per very rich settings here, per post type, say, hey, I'm going to allow categories, which you saw, the events and the coupons and deals for the pizza I just showed you. I'm allowing all those. Now, I don't have pizza jobs or pizza videos or pizza classifieds, and not that they're necessarily be a pizza classified, but you can basically turn every one of your post types on or off, have a limit, say whether you show the photo or not, add the link, and this basically, if you have it as yes, when you click on it, it'll go straight to that link. Otherwise, it's set as no. Show the header is basically that big banner with the header for that particular post type, so it kind of delineates the difference between each category or post type. And then details, this is generally like the name, for example, under a business, it'll show the business owner name and stuff like that. So those are the details. But you can do that per post type, and is very rich in functionality. So that's the answer to how do I get all of my search results on the front. The first one is get the expanded keyword search, so you can basically search through all of your data, and then get the predictive keyword search, so you can search across the post types and show it on your main page. So it works for this one again, but it also works for your main page keyword. So wherever you have that keyword search, either up here on the sidebar, it doesn't matter, on the main page, this is the keyword. That's the one you're looking for to search across. And I can do it again here. I'll just type in pizza. It's going to do the exact same thing as it did up here, just now on my main search. And there we go. We have all those kind of settings I just showed you turned on, up to 20 and 3 of each type. And these are the 4 main types I had turned on. So very powerful, and that is the universal search, and looks pretty amazing in my opinion, and does wonders for your directory and for people able to find stuff real quick for something that they want. Hope that helped. How you get search results on your main page of your BD page. Till next time.